Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver brother and this here for serial. And you type here the driver download after the serial. Okay, and so I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website support.brother.com. You click here. This one and this here for the tech automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 8 for Windows 10 for the Windows 10. If you make the system operation for the Macintosh or the Linux or the mobile, and this here for you select here for the Linux, and this here for Linux version, for the Macintosh version, this here for the Linux version, and this here for the mobile the version. Okay, this video I'm going to download driver for Windows 11 and click here for select here for Windows 11. Click OK, and that's why this driver loading and this here for driver recommended for you. I am recommended you download here and this here support all the software package, software and driver package for the printer. And if you need download, you click here and this here for support your operating system for the Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, and this here for update the printer, and this here for compatible with the printer, and this release the release. If you need to load, you click here. So what this here for your drive for the load. If you need to install for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press Y. Finish ready for the load. If you finish ready for the load, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. And this here for the tech automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. And disclaimer, this here for official website. I'm share for official website. Okay, and thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.